Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this spread, I will be using the new Good Life 2020 bundle, which is now available at Pixel Scrapper. And to begin here, I am just picking out some of the pages that I printed out. Some of these are from the Journal Me kit, and then some are papers that I printed out. And so I've just gone ahead and stuck them on the sheets here from my, it's more of a binder than a notebook. So I've just stuck those down, and I am using I have a couple of these squares that are included in the print kit as well. And then I'm going to put this piece of vellum behind. And then after some consideration, I will make some shaker pockets that include those two squares that I cut out. So there's my fuse tool. I'm going to plug that in so it can heat up. And then I have this pocket page here. I'm going to stick these in, put some sequins in. Once I put the sequins in, I realized I probably should have fused the pocket on the side before I put the sequins in, because things get kind of out of hand. Also, I forgot to pack my favorite sequin spoon, which I got at a froyo place one time, and it's a really nice little spoon for getting sequins into pockets, and I'm sorry that I didn't bring that, and I'll have to look around for an alternative. I brought a pretty limited selection of sequins with, mostly because I thought I could probably just buy some new ones. I had a lot of just basic colored ones. So I brought kind of the more interesting shapes that I thought might be harder to find. But I was kind of missing them when I made these pockets because I haven't really stocked up yet. So now I'm fusing the sides of these, kind of jiggling things around, and then I will stick a few more sequins in and close up the tops. Once everything is fused together here, I'll trim off the excess plastic and then stick these pockets down where they were before. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.